Rome, Italy, ancient history and cuisine. Rome, the capital of Italy, is a city where the past lives in the present. Known as the Eternal City, Rome is filled with ancient ruins, grand piazzas, artistic treasures, and unforgettable food. Walking through Rome feels like stepping into a living museum, where every street corner reveals a piece of history that shaped the world. From powerful emperors and gladiators to Renaissance artists and modern cafe culture, Rome blends thousands of years of civilization into everyday life. Alongside its legendary landmarks, the city's cuisine, rich in tradition and flavor, makes every meal an experience of its own. Whether you are exploring ancient monuments or enjoying a simple plate of pasta, Rome captures the heart of every traveler. Let's explore 7 of Rome's most iconic places and experiences that define its history and culinary charm. 1. The Colosseum. The Colosseum is Rome's most famous landmark and a symbol of the ancient Roman Empire. This massive amphitheater once hosted gladiator battles and public spectacles for thousands of spectators. Standing inside its stone arches, visitors can imagine the roar of crowds from nearly 2,000 years ago. It's one of the greatest architectural achievements of the ancient world and a must-see for anyone visiting Rome. 2. Roman Forum. Just beside the Colosseum lies the Roman Forum, the political and social center of ancient Rome. Here, temples, government buildings, and marketplaces once stood at the heart of the empire. Walking among the ruins gives visitors a deeper understanding of Roman civilization and daily life thousands of years ago. The surrounding Palatine Hill offers scenic views and is believed to be the legendary birthplace of Rome. 3. Vatican City and St. Peter's Basilica. Within Rome lies Vatican City, the world's smallest independent state and the spiritual center of the Catholic Church. St. Peter's Basilica is one of the most impressive churches ever built, with its grand dome and beautiful interior artworks. Visitors can also explore the Vatican museums, home to the Sistine Chapel and Michelangelo's famous ceiling painting. This area blends art, faith, and history in a truly extraordinary way. 4. Trevi Fountain. The Trevi Fountain is one of the most beautiful fountains in the world. According to tradition, tossing a coin over your shoulder into the fountain ensures a return to Rome. The detailed sculptures and flowing water create a magical atmosphere, especially at night when the fountain is illuminated. It's a romantic and memorable stop for visitors. 5. Piazza Navona and Roman squares. Rome's piazzas are lively gathering places filled with fountains, street artists, and cafes. Piazza Navona, built on the site of an ancient stadium, features the stunning Fountain of the Four Rivers. These open squares are perfect for enjoying a coffee, watching street performers, and soaking in the city's vibrant atmosphere. 6. Italian cuisine in Rome. Rome's food culture is simple, traditional, and full of flavor. Classic dishes like pasta carbonara, cacio e pepe, and amatriciana come from this region. Pizzerias, trattorias, and gelato shops line the streets, offering authentic tastes at every corner. Meals in Rome are more than food. They are moments of connection, tradition, and enjoyment. 7. The Pantheon. The Pantheon is one of the best preserved buildings from ancient Rome. Originally built as a temple, it later became a church. Its massive dome, with a circular opening called the oculus, is an architectural wonder that still amazes visitors today. The Pantheon represents the genius and engineering skill of ancient Rome. From mighty ruins and sacred art to lively piazzas and unforgettable meals, Rome is a city where history and daily life exist side by side. Every step tells a story, and every meal celebrates tradition. Rome is not just a destination, it's a journey through time, flavor, and culture that leaves a lasting impression on the heart.